Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your chakra of the month, number of the month, your health, wealth, relationship, money, career, your mental exercises of the month. What is that one thing that you need to take care for the whole month? What is your soul growth or soul path for this month, and what will happen if you follow the advices of the cards? So let's just begin. This is the month of opportunities. So this opportunities will come your way. This is the month of growth, whether it is growing over your emotions, whether it is growing in the physical world. This is the month of completion, so you will probably end a certain things and complete certain things or reach the completion of certain things. Also this is the month where you'll see the things that you wanted to manifest. You'll see them happening, you'll see them growing. I kind of see the card of the growth in the beginning of the month, or pregnancy in the beginning of the month, and that's why growth is something, or pregnancy is something. Pregnancy is also a growth, so that way growth is something that's there. Nurturing is something that's there in this month for you. Along with that, there are two things that are very important this month for you. One, you need to be focused on the light. You need to have patience, and second, you need to be focused on what is right and where is the opportunity. So this month it will test your emotions. This month the situations will be such where you'll feel that something is ending, where you'll feel that something is not working out, where you'll feel that it is not how I wanted it to be. But all those situations will actually have some new opportunities for you, and only if you focus on the opportunity will you be able to get the benefit of that. And if you get the benefit of that, life is going to be smooth and easy. That's why for this whole month I'm going to tell you that patience and looking at positivity is going to be two mantras that you have to follow for this month. If we talk about your health, for your health I would tell you, one, take care of your back. Take care, there are a lot of responsibilities, a lot of burden that you're carrying. Take care of your back. Second, because there is a card which kind of shows somebody going to a space which is completely alone, or this person is going to be alone for a while. Take care that you stay away from infections, especially COVID, because that's a possibility that I see on your cards. Though I'm not seeing something big, huge or bad happening, but still, why take chances? So you can at least save yourself from this situation. If at all this happens, don't overburden yourself. Don't think that this is going to end your life or do something in your life. Nothing is going to happen. Rather, you'll get some time to contemplate on things that you want to do, things that you have been doing in your life, and improve your life in a certain way. But just stay away from it. Without it, if you can actually improve your life, that's a better thing to do. Also, this month, if there is a surgery that you've been suggested and you can postpone that surgery easily to the next month, you can please postpone it to the next month. And if you cannot postpone it to the next month, change your thought about it. Don't think that it is going to bring an end to your life, or don't think that it's going to do something wrong to you. It is going to work out for you beautifully well, and there is nothing that you should be scared of for this month. For your emotional health, I would say that this month, don't take burden of thoughts, don't take burden of emotions. This is the month where you'll have to look at positive side of everything. Also, somewhere I see light being very important on your card. So this month, try that you don't, even if at night you need to go to the loo or something, switch on the lights. Don't be in dark. Darkness is not something that I would suggest you this month, because it looks like light is going to be focus on light, focus on hope, or literally being into the light is very important for you for this month. If we talk about your wealth or money, with Page of Pentacles and with Seven of Pentacles and twice, so money flow is not a problem. Money will flow into your life, but you need to be very careful with your money. You need to be very patient with your money, and in small little things, not in very big huge ways, but even in small little ways. If you're putting in your money from in your money somewhere, if you're taking out your money from somewhere, ensure that you're thoughtful about it. You're not doing it in hurry, you're not doing it under any pressure. And if possible, don't bring in sudden ends or sudden new beginnings for anything related to money this month. If we talk about your love relationships, I see new people coming into your life, but I don't see the relationships converting further. until the end of the month. So that is why if you are single, focus on yourself, focus on improving yourself, focus on seeing your light. If you are into a relationship, ensure that you're not too focused on emotions, ensure that you're not letting negativity or emotion ruin your relationship. Rather, if you address, if there is anything that has been happening in your life, in your relationships, if you address those emotions, they are going to work beautifully well, and then you're going to move towards calm waters. So if there is any situation in your relationship where there has been problems, where there has been troubles, this is the month where you look at what is positive about it, what is the learning from it, how can I approach it in a more positive way. When you do that, it is going to work wonderfully well for you, and then by end of the month, or you'll have smooth sailing of your relationships. If you're looking for pregnancy or having a baby, the starting of the month kind of shows a pregnancy card, but you'll need to be very careful about your hormonal up downs, so keep it under check. Second, focus on what you want, not focus on what you don't want to happen with your pregnancy. And third, don't pick up weights. So whether it is literally picking up weight or whether it is taking a weight of emotions, don't weigh yourself with anything this month. Be careful about that. If we talk about your job or career, from your job or career perspective, I definitely see opportunity. I see an opportunity. There's a possibility of overseas opportunity. There's a possibility you're shifting or moving from one country to another country. That's a possibility that I kind of see, but there could be some delay in that. But don't get affected with that delay, because if there is a change or if there is an opportunity that comes, it is going to convert, provided you're positive about it, provided you're looking at the opportunity, provided you're not in too much hurry or urgency to make it happen just so too fast, because the opportunity will lead you towards that, but that might happen over a period of 3 to 6 months. That is why don't hush it. Just take it slow, just take it positively, and just start working with this opportunity. If you're looking forward for a growth, you'll have to have patience. Growth will happen, but right now it looks like whatever will come into your life, it will be disguised. It will be disguised as something where you'll think that it is not happening, where you'll think that it is not for me, there are others that are involved in it, where you'll think that my emotions are being tested, where you'll think that is it really what I wanted, and it is not happening. I wanted it to happen soon. But this is basically a test of your patience, and if you are patient, if you are focused on positive and good things, it will convert, everything will convert beautifully, and everything will give you balance, everything will give you growth, and everything will give you opportunity. So keep your focus there. If you are into any learning, be focused, don't lose your focus. You are very close to actually see the ships coming, you're very close to actually achieve things, and that is why. And then there are 2 tens, so 3 tens, so basically you're very close to completion. Don't give up at this point in time. If we talk about your soul path, this month the learning is that show yourself the light that you show to others. So if you give gyan, if you give knowledge to others, if you tell things to others to do or not to do, follow those things in your life. This is one learning that your soul needs this month. Second, focus on positivity, focus on hope. Positivity is your biggest learning this month. There is a video about positivity that I'll put on the description box. Please focus on positive things, focus on good things. This month you can actually make it a habit that whatever happens in your life, whatever small little big situations, even like if something falls down, something breaks, look at what is an opportunity in it. Maybe you needed to buy something new. So look at the opportunity in everything this month. It is your soul growth, because positivity is something that is going to help your soul grow and help you learn your soul lesson. So that's your soul growth this month. Focus on positive things, and focus on positive things about everything in your life. If we talk about your chakras of the month, solar plexus and sacral chakras, the videos on my channel are in Hindi, but otherwise there are a lot of videos on YouTube. Please focus on those videos and chant the mantras of these chakras, or practice the meditations of these chakras. The mantra for these chakras, for the sacral chakra, the mantra is Vam. For the solar plexus, it is Ram. But otherwise you can find a lot of videos on YouTube. So please focus on these 2 chakras, because they are related to emotions, and this month emotional healing is something that is important. It is related to learning, willpower and creativity, and these 2 chakras are related to that. So that way they will help you have patience, they'll help you see growth, they'll help you nurture yourself and ace your emotions and look at the opportunities, and that's going to be very important for you. Your mental exercise of the month is sharing, and if you see, there is a candle here also. This is Queen of Wands, and that's why this is the month of nurturing. This is the month of looking at opportunities. This is the month of focusing. This is the month of focusing on light. So this month, ensure that you affirm, I allow myself to look at an opportunity in everything in my life. Everything that is happening in my life is bringing opportunities to me. My life is full of abundance. My plate is always full of opportunities and good things, and I see light in everything. So this affirmation is going to help you big time. If you like the video, please share the video with everyone that you can. Press the like button, helps videos become searchable, and subscribe the channel. Number of the month for you is going to be number 10 or number 1. Color of the month, any shade of orange, yellow, golden, silver skin is going to be good for you. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month? Patience and looking and believing that whatever you've done is going to give you good changes. And that's why I said in the beginning, I said the 2 mantras for you is 1, look at positive, and 2, have patience. What will happen if you follow these things? There is a card of lovers. Lovers is a card, and in this specific illustration, it's a card of manifestation. So whatever you focus on this month is what you are manifesting this month. So if you focus on light, you're manifesting light. If you focus on opportunities, you're manifesting opportunities. If you focus on relationships, love, you're actually manifesting love. If you focus on lack, you're manifesting lack. If you focus on problems, you're manifesting problems. So just be very careful about what you want to manifest in your life, and only focus on those things in your life. Rather, whatever is happening in this month in your life, everything is going to be a blessing in disguise. So don't get bothered with that disguise. Just focus on blessing. You can practice thank you exercise. I'll share that also in the description box. Also, there are a lot of videos on my channel. I've started 2 series. One is about soul growth. What is your soul path? Why there are problems in your life, and everything about that you need to know about your soul. Second is learning tarot reading for free. So I'm actually putting in videos where you can actually develop your intuition and learn tarot reading. There are a lot of other videos on positivity, good things about life, and they are there so that you can get help from them. So please watch those videos, leave the comments there, and share those videos with everyone that you think can get benefited from those. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write you would need a personalized tarot reading. I will share my WhatsApp number, and we can follow it up from there. I'll see you with the next month prediction, or with the other videos that are there on channel, or the series that I'm making. Till then, take care of yourself. And if you have been very fast during the video, that could be because the energy of the cards is such. So I'm really sorry for that. I'll try to be a little less fast in my next videos. And take care of yourself. All the best. Bye bye.